Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the myFirstWestern mobile banking app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. myFirstWestern is a mobile banking app designed for customers of Firstwestern Bank and Trust. It allows users to securely manage their accounts, view real-time balances, review transaction history, and transfer funds between accounts. The app also supports mobile check deposit, bill payments, card controls, and customizable alerts to help users track important activity. It's available on both iOS and Android. The app's main focus is convenience and security, giving users the ability to handle everyday banking tasks anywhere. With built-in authentication options and easy access to statements and account info, the platform aims to offer a complete digital banking experience without needing to visit a branch. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the reliable mobile check deposit, quick login process, fast load times, and clear transaction details. The app's interface is considered simple and helpful for users who want quick, no-nonsense access to their finances. Card management and bill pay are also praised for working smoothly. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users report occasional login interruptions, delayed notifications, or errors during mobile check deposit in low-signal areas. Certain advanced financial planning tools or integrations aren't available within the app, meaning customers may need to use additional services for budgeting or investment features. Availability of specific tools may also depend on the user's account type. In summary, the myFirstWestern app may be worth using if you want a secure, easy-to-use mobile banking platform for everyday financial tasks like deposits, transfers, and bill payments. However, if you're looking for advanced budgeting tools or extensive financial integrations, you may find the app's feature set somewhat limited. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.